All right, guys, we already learned about factors, and you guys have proven that you know factors. But now we're gonna learn something a little tiny bit different. It's called the greatest common factors. All right, greatest common factors, also known as GCF, are not difficult, but we're gonna practice them together so you can see that, oh my goodness, Ms. Farmer, this is so easy. Is this something you even needed to put into words? Like, that easy. Let's look at it. This is exactly what your work's gonna look like, but you're not gonna have the same numbers. It says find the factors of 8 and 12. And then we got 8 over here, 12 over here, and then it says what are the common factors? What is the greatest common factor? Not hard. So we're gonna find the factors. When I find the factors of 8, I know that 1 times 8 equals 8, so 1 and 8 are factors. I know 2 times 4 equals 8, so 2 and 4 are factors. And let me think. 3 doesn't multiply by anything, and we already have 2 and 4 next to each other. Since 3 does not work, we're done. We have all of the factors, 1, 2, 4, and 8. And remember, even though we write them like this first, we like to write them like this so that we can see the nice little rainbow. Because the 1 goes with the 8 and the 2 goes with the 4. Okay? So we did our factoring of 8. Let's go over and factor our 12. When we're factoring 12, we know that 1 times 12 equals 12. So we have the factors of 1 and 12. Simple. We know 2 times 6 equals 12. So now we have 2 and 6. And then we know that 3 times 4 equals 12. And 3 and 4 are next to each other, so that tells us there's no more numbers we can use. And then we have all of the factors. Then we write them out nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So we can make our rainbow. And this rainbow is just a little bit bigger than that rainbow. Down here in this box it says, what are the common factors? Every number ever, no matter what, whether it's prime or composite, will have a common factor of 1. Because we have a 1 here and a 1 here. So it has a common factor of 1. What other numbers do you see that are the same? I hope you see that this has a 2 here and we have a 2 here. So 2. Any other numbers do you see that are the same? We don't have a 3 on that side. I have a 4 here. Oh, and a 4 here. There's a 4. There's a 4, so we've write our 4 down. And this one has an 8 left. Nope, I have 6 and 12. So no more common factors. That's okay. We had 3 common factors here. That's awesome. Okay guys, this is a really, really hard question. What is the greatest, the biggest, the largest common factor? Yeah, it's not very large. It's just 4. It's the biggest one we get. Okay? Does that make sense? We're going to do 2 more to try to make sure it makes sense. All right? So Ms. Farmer's going to erase this, switch her slide, and move on. Going to the next one. We have find the factors of 16 and 24. So let's factor them. We're going to do them quick because I know you guys hate watching these videos. So 16 is 1 and 16. It is 2 and 8. It is not 3, but it is 4 times 4. So we got 4, 2, 8, 1, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. And that goes like that. And then we're going to factor 24. We got 1 times 24. 2 times 12. There, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Those are all my factors. I write them out like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, and we rainbow it. That rainbow got a little messed up. My bad. There we go. All right, what are my common factors? Well, let's look. Which ones are common? We definitely have 1. That always works. That's always a common factor. 1. What about 2? Yep, I got a 2 here and a 2 here. 2. I have a 3 here No 3. So 3 is not a common factor. It is still a factor, but it is not a common factor. Okay, that's it. 4. Oh, I got a 4 here, and I got a 4 right there. 4 works. 6. No 6 over there. That's all right. What about 8? Oh, I got an 8 here and an 8 here. So 8. And then I got a 12. No 12. Got 24. No 24. And I got a 16, but no 16. So then we look at the common factors. What is the greatest common factor? The biggest, the largest, the most huge? Yeah, it's 8. All right? One more together, and then it's all on you guys, all right? Let me erase this real fast. And I'm going to move on to the next slide as I erase, actually. So now this slide, we're going to find the common factors of 30 and 20. And just for fun, I'm going to start on this side of the board because I can. So 20, we know that 1 times 20 equals 20. We know 2 times 10 equals 20. 3 does not work. Sorry, guys. And 4 times 5 equals 20. If you don't trust me, count. All right, so those are all my factors because 4 and 5 are next to each other. So I write it like this. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. I make my rainbows. Look at that. So cute, so beautiful. Now I go over to my 30, and I know that 1 times 30 equals 30. 2 times 15 equals 30. 3 times 10 equals 30. 4 does not work. 5 times 6 equals 30. And I know I'm done because 5 and 6 are next to each other. When I write them out like this, it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and, ooh, that's not 30, and 30. And then I rainbow it. Woo, woo, woo. That's kind of a flat, not cute rainbow, but it still works. And then we go, okay, what are the common multiples? What are the ones that are the same in that side and in this side? Well, we always got 1, right? 1 is always our first number, 1. We also got a 2, and a 2, so 2 works. What about 3? I have a 3 here. No 3 on that side, so 3 is not a common. I have a 5. Ooh, do I have a 5 on that side? I got a 5 here, and a 5 here. I did not have a 4, so 4 didn't work, but I did have a 5. All right, and then I have a 6. No 6 over there. A 10. Ooh, I got a 10 here, and a 10 here. And then I got a 15. No 15, and I got a 30. No 30, but that one has 20. No 20 over here. All right, what is my greatest common factor? You guys should be screaming at your screens right now. It is 10. And just like that, you're finished. This is literally your exact activity. This is all you have to do. You watch me doing this, and now you do the same thing with different numbers. Good luck. Let me know if you need help. Remember, you can always jump on a Zoom call. All right? See you guys later.